Remakeup the aju kamadaya baubing. NH102A Road Project Reader Approve Saga High Plan Atishur the Sara Highway Chi Ukrul Town Alungli Ratara Gji Hunpun Vienna Hangshi Thaira Manipur Liklay Naga Lay Hali UNLF MBA designated camp Kasem Mamaya Manada NSCN IM the Hanghaira Lake Hangtor, Achu the Dankul Express Wipau, Range Bemmerza in a Pamidalay, Baubing Mesa Inanganang Rumsa. Ukrul Bypass Road proposed Saga Highly, Hunpun Ukrul National Highway Committee na, Makamaya Shokaira. Hunpun Village Authority were Azingli Kalay, Committee China Hanglushita, NH102A Ukrul, Toloi to Tadobi Road Chi, Reader approved Saga High Plan Atishur the Sarah Chihaira. Kachama plan chi tangkul long nau bingwi kagatom sampang kai na chi maram hiwang paume bingling hotta Friday thang hunpun va wi office awung jangli gazipta hunpun wo ha khayai wona gahang 2-lane highway chi ukrul town alungli ratara gchi hunpun kharik vuna khokhasada tuitak ta gaina hangda khale ukrul town alungli raghawai gchi hi dungrei tukra som junction tara Kala plan chiwa aina thai kukui akhala mamaya mara chihaira. Shongfu wi maram chi yang sang mi khawai la otta cham taram sang sa khawai da Hunpun Village Assembly na Highway Committee ki semna chi. Highway Committee chiwi convener khayuri leng na gahang Shongfu ji na sagze level ping na 2017 kum Ministry of Road Transport and Highways li complaint thag sang chi na ot mangali kahap lei hawa kha aramaram chi tharkui haira chi. Ara Shongfu Gasem Jili Kakatom, Matalak Aina, Sampang Haira Jidalay. Ukrul NH Committee na, Atumui Kukui Maram Chief Minister N. Biren Singli, Misangda, NH102AJ, Ukrul Town Alungli, Ratang Sakawai Pohaira. Ukrul Emile Ram Wivanala, Yari Winning Jangji, Jithaida Maram Hi Union Minister Nitin Gagra Dili Kapiva Kahaina, Ka Ministry Wishong Aina, Nghanka Kami Mathada Malayangachi. Reader Yakshop Kahai Highway Route Chi, Mangajay Aka, 2-lane Ukrul Taloi to Tadobi, Package 1 Bypass proposed Kasaji Ukrul na Welcome Saya. Maram Huivang Poda Kalechi, Masampang Rang Laka Inatanga, Ngaranragachi, Tutak Tagahaina the Kayuina Hangsanga. Ukrul Hunpun Village with Ningajangli, Yatta Kasali, Mamaya Maragajila Hanghaira. Ukrul Hunpun Kuwi Alungli. Ratagi Gachi NH102A expansion wi land survey li makamaya maram la Hunpun Village Authority na subdivisional officer Ukruli Misanghaira NH102A wi maram hi ningjang aina yangmida reader yakshok hai gasa original alignment chi mangajay khawai pohaira chi press kazip jili village authorities members highway committee Hunpun execution council HEC Hunpun kadam naulong Hunpun shinaulong all Hunpun Tang Chairman Association Kalakui Karnau Bing Wazanga Pauhi IT wa aina Kwikamaron na Manipur Liklay Naga Lay Hali UNLF MPA designated camp Gasem Mamayamana the NSCN IM na Hanghaira NSCN IM na Sothang MIP release Kashogli Gahang UNLF Pambay designated camp Naga Lay Hali Naga Yarui Kamaya la Kathay Mazang la Semda Kalay Chikathang reckless intrusion Chili condemn Sayada Chanpur Jili Hangsanga designated camps Semgagaji Indian Shogar Aina UNLF na geopolitical sentiment Mathada Miyangla Sabapa Hairagaji Hangda Indian Shogar na Maite Aina Naga Alungli Rai Shok Sa Kawai Kisaga the NSCN IM na Kanghan Sahira NSCN we Kamadaya Otngruthi Yari kala geopolitical issue ngakmi khawai kasa hinada Naga Naubingli external threats karali ngakami la Nagalim territorial integrity preserve sakamili NSCN na yangsang na chi Manipur Naga Lay Hali designate sakahai UNLF camps Saigora Kathagwilungli Hongtuing sa khawai NSCN na Hanghaira Raisang Gahai India Raisang Gahai Northeast Gaji Vikshit Bharat Vikshit Northeast Ningrin wi Pekar Kuida, Northeast States Pingwang Lupa, 55,600 crore manwi, projects PM Modi na aya, Itanagar Arunachal Pradesh li, hapok mi haira. 55,600 crore jili, Manipur Wivang la, Lupa 3,500 crore manwi development projects, hapok mi haira, Kala Kupsang Gahai projects, Targat Kami haira. Prime Minister Modi na foundation stones Shunmi Gahai, projects Pingji, Unity Mall, Maternity and Child Hospital Aina, Manipur Technical University with Infrastructure Development, Bed Hangturuk Kada, Haimigi Guji State Mental Hospital, IDSEZ Processing Zone with Infrastructure, Kanjuteng Reo Pungshini, School Infrastructure Development Hibing Hizanga. NESIDS with Azingli Road Projects Kani, National Highway Projects Kani, Imphal Jiribam, Ukrul Tutaloi, Tutadobi, Kala Setu Bandan with Azingli, Tongmuti Sem Kawai Projects La Zanga. Modi na Targat Kami Gigachi, Projects Pingji, CRIF with Azingli, Chongfu Projects Kani, Water Supply Schemes Jal Jivan Mission, Moirangli Sem Kahai Craft Handloom Village, National Highway Projects, Imphal More, Tangmenglong Kongsang, Marem Peren, Churachandpur Tivai, Hiping Hizanga. Arunachal Pradesh PM na Sela Tunnel Targat Kami, Lupa 10,000 crore manwi, UNNATI scheme la launch Samia. Manipur Shorgar na Ranyeji City Convention Center, Imphal we Ainang Room the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na Narendra Modi Shorgar le Musot Mihaira. Unity Mall Chivang Lupa, 149 crore Shika Miya the Chief Minister na Kahang, Unity Mall the State we Recognized Community Saigor Ruivang, Stole Gadaday the Haimira, Manipur Technical University we Infrastructural Development Project China, Lupa 54 crore Manwina Kala, Chi Youth Pingwivang, Kapava, Nisara the Biren na Hangsanga. BJP Shorgarna Hagasang, Regisang with Kerjan, Hangjiteda Kaleli, former Congress Emile Alfred na, Makamia Pongshokaira. Ayamanibur Congress Bavan Li, Baumi Bingli Kangazek, Kazib Kwikaya. Chili Ukrul former MLA Alfred Kangam Arthurna, BJP State Kala, Center Shorgarli, Makamia Pongshok the Regisang La, Youth Empowerment with Maramli Shorgarna, Makamashung Kerjan, Jiteda Kale Hanga. BJP na Akachanga. Kakalat Kalay, Kangajay Mukiramana the Congress Katana Jina Hanghaira. Madailak in a youth pingwang BJP Shorgarna, Kangajay Kui Hairagaji, Take Quick by Makalay, Janjam Sada, Alfred na Shangshak Kui, Ang Red Hangjiteya. BJP na Shorgar Pungda Zingum Tara, Kahaila Shimkur Bungi, Lansin Rinli, Matagasang Malay Manada Alfred Nahanga, Center Kala State Shorgarna, Youth Empowerment Kuramira the Twingishit Mikahai, Chili, Masami Tural, Social Security La, Zakshimai Haira, Reader Manhon Singwe Adamli, Nadam Laga, MNREGA, Lanjin, Timikshol Sita Haira the Alfred Nahanga. Infrastructure Development Shong Yang Aka, Yang Ang Pokpi to Fins Corner Ukrulwi, 2-lane highway Gasem Yang Laga, Ning Yang Makung Pongshoka. Contracting process Matada Masala, Firm Kahakakna, Teo Kamayali subcontract, Minganauda China Lupadraka Shiman, La Project Ot Matada, Magasahi Shoknsagada, former MLA China Hanga. Yarui funds Hijin Kangwi Maramli, Hang the Shongfu Wivang Kror, Hersanga Jilila, Shongfu Azak Yangli, Jimathatura Jihaira. Alfred Nagahang, Youth Employment He, Kamadaya Sada, Quiplungra, Ka Indian Yarongla, Tingnam, Tingtingli Achu, BJP Shorgarna Ot, Mamirer to the Alfredna, Mamiakangai Pongshoka. Nalay He Zero Progress, Shong Wivada Lay, Gaji Hangda, Unemployment Hibingwi, Katagwi Alungli, Paikar Kwikawai former MLA China Katonghaira. Gajikata Ot Gasali, named the Deoda Gukwili, Alfred na Makamia Pongshoka, Ot Gasali Karigatio Malay Mana, Ka Gasasa, Kaya Ina Gasa, La Employment upon Raichada, Kamihina Kamadaya, the former Congress MLA China Hangsanga. Pauhi Imphal Times to Aina Samgapangna. Ayin Mutung Maganda, Sina Pungjat Gasa, Shinaugutumli, PDF Unit Imphal, Custom Division at the Kuihaira. To quick high Bingji, Vunaungarana, Kala Atum Kanjipur Bamli Zat Kasana, Atum the Sina ornaments, 415.10 gram Gada Pungjat Sai, Sina Ji Lupan Lak Mugadashini, Shikawina Ji. Customs Division Imphal we Deputy Commissioner Rajiv Kumar Yengkhom na kahang vunaw ngaraji na more we aina Imphal cho kawai zat kasana tukhui gahai ji sina gazaw kala cha zanga kala ji ngalai gade sina na ji tukner gahai bingji avuvu Sunita Devil kala naw ngalawa khani Indu Kumari aina Reshma Kumar atumhi Ward number 2 Dalbati Tengobal Subdivision Chandel District Wimina Sina je Customs Divisional Office Imphal le misang haira Otshot ji Custom Act 1962 we azingli investigation zat mohong dalai Kanju thei ningasang national bingwiwang Ukruli grassroots coaching hopok haira Grassroots football coaching program ji jingkum akhawiwang khlem aina room khamina kalaji sothang mission ground alungtang Ukruli hopoka Coaching ji national jingkum thuruk aina hopokta tharada mati aina tangda wiwangna Grassroots football program ji United Brothers Football Club aina Ukrul District Sports Association na bukhok kamina nguran ngiye ji Lok Sabha election li ngning khangaya Dr. Ellison Abonmai na sponsor sa kamina Dr. Ellison Abonmai na kanju theli ningsangalak ka haimina Anarida Manipur Junior Football Team li 1989 to 2000 captain sa haida lechi Abonmai na sports development kala youth empowerment wivang grassroots coaching kan khana theikuda nauda wivang hikatha ranye hina angyung ngsagi gijina da hanga program launch gsajili international football player Tangkhul Football Players Association President Raisang Miwashum kala I-League player apam Keyston nawazanga grassroots football coaching program chili thangso miriwa ungnaw shang mishangwu khangambam jimik atumna thanda tamji thaidalai program chi grassroots coordinator mushun jingkhaina sadalai pauhi IT we aina gukhuina ara itum kajishat ngnang rumsa Tangkhul kushung shangwi union TKSU na jishat khami athishura kazip jirang khara march miyo tarik tharada mati aina tharada phanga thangri hali rumira Changlak gahai awo ayu ngishan shanwai junwai janhan lahan asak awak wi khamatha khalaiji kajip khui khawai kala shi jinthei khawai sada the Tangkhul kushung shang arts and cultural exhibition kam 52 TKSU kumbai kajip 2024 hi mukhok migi gajina ngishan yan nidrei hui khamong sho khami hi Ukrul Deputy Commissioner Zuringla Khengona mso wasamira Ukrul BWT Executive Engineer Garnish kushung now Kala Ukrul ADC wi CEO David Kushumnaw la khayawo sada zangra kala ranye jili mohon nga power gji hangsanga Tangkhul ado aje jingsho jingdun li panda khlai Kushumnaw mingnin ping artist ping kala kharnaw sanmataila kjip jili rajang miser khawai waw khamalan gsana gji shathi TKSU Secretary Thotwan Kushumna mikharana Assam Rifle Center of Educational Excellence wi ngran ngiye sada Ukruli jingum akhawiwang claim aina coaching room mikidalai coaching apam 35 Assam Rifles somsaili room mira coaching chi IIT JEE NEET MBBS BDS Ayush BVSC ICAR NEST NISER IISER and CUIT UG kala allied streams kadai wiwang khangran li ngjon migi gajina coaching gzang bingli kabi kabam langran mira class 12 to PCM PCB tiawmai kapta 55% marks aina pasa gahaina la maningkha porikha ji tha gahainau NEET IIT JEE CUET IISER NISER NIT Scholar Entrance Examinations kadeli eligible gsanaw bing jang baira chili jang khwai selection process li preliminary written exam later class 11 and 12 level physics chemistry biology kala maths nghanra short listed candidates bingli psychological screening kala personal interview wang hora residential coaching chili faculty kamatha haimira study material computer lab fully digitized testing facility layer, soft skill enable program layer jia. Nuran Yeji Assam Rifles na Yang Sangmida National Integrity and Educational Development Organization na training partner sa kamina. Maram hi kupmay thay kawai www.niedo.in di yang bayra. Latlida ajo kamataya baubing. NH102 Air Road Project Reader approve saga high plan atishur da sara highway chi Ukrul Town alungli ratara gji hunbun Vienna hangshi thaira Manipur Lekhlei Naga Lei Hali UNLF MBA designated camp kasem mamaya manada NSCN IM na hanghaira Aju bau hi enang jang haira pau ngana da khlei nutum saigorali ringpha khamhaya jingshong sa sarano